Topic is make sentences by using a and. Okay, now first we will do practice. First tell me, which picture is this? Cat. Yes. Now again tell me, what is this? Now you will give me answer. It is a cat. What is this? It is a cat. Next picture. What is this? It is an ant. It is an ant. Next. What is this? It is a sun. It is a sun. Now tell me, what is this? It is an egg. What is this? It is an egg. Now tell me, what is this? It is a van. It is a van. Now look at this. We are using here a and an. And now remember this. First tell me how many vowels? A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels. And we use an with the vowel sound. Look at this. A and we use an with vowels. And we use a with consonant. Now look at this. It is a sentence. Now tell me, what is a sentence? The sentence is the words or group of words that express the complete thought. Look at this. It is a sentence of cat. It is a cat. It is a cat. Next, ant. I-T, it. I-S is. A-N, it is an. A-N-T, ant. It is an ant. Now look here. First of all, you have to remember these 3 points. While you are going to start a sentence, first letter should be capital. Okay, like this. First letter should be capital. While we are writing a sentence, first letter should be capital. I-D, it. I should be capital. I should be capital. Second point is, you have to put a full stop at the end of a sentence. Like this. Full stop. Full stop is a dot. Look here. I-T, it. I-S is. It is. A-N, it is an. A-N-T, ant. It is an ant. And the third point is finger gap. While you are writing a sentence, you have to make a finger gap like this. Finger gap. I-T, it. Finger gap. I-S is. It is. Then finger gap. It is. Next. A-N, it is an. Then again a finger gap between 2 spellings. It is an ant. Then you will put a full stop at the end of a sentence. It means the sentence is completed. It is an ant. We use finger spaces between words so each word can be read. Look at this. The cat. T-H-E the. C-H-E cat. The cat sat down. S-A-T sat. D-O-W-N down. It is the right way to write a sentence. And this is the wrong way. Okay? You will not write like this pattern. अगर आप ऐसा लिखेंगी तो टीचर को कुछ भी समझ नहीं आएगी कि आपने क्या लिखा है. So you have to make a finger gap like this. Like this. And it is right. And here is a tick for you. And this is wrong. And this is a wrong way to write. Okay? Now look at this. This is a good way to write a sentence. You have to make a finger gap. Now we will do practice. This is your classwork. Okay, first of all read with ma'am. We are going to write word sentences. Now read with ma'am. W-O-R-D-S words. S-E-N-T-E-N sentence. C-E-S sentences. Word sentences. First word is cat. C-A-T, cat. Now tell me, what is the sentence of cat? It is a cat. We will write it, it. It, close to this margin line. It, it. Is, it is a. We are using a here because C is a consonant. That's why we will write a cat. It is a cat. Then we will put a full stop here. It means the sentence is completed. Next, ant. A-N-T, ant. Now we will make a sentence again. It is A-N-T, ant. It is an ant. You have to also make a finger gap. Okay? It, it, finger gap. Is, is, then finger gap. An, finger gap. Then A-N-T, ant. It is an ant. We are using here an because A is a vowel. That's why we are using and with it. It is an ant. Next word is sun. It is a sun. It is a sun. Next word is E-double-G, egg. It is an egg. And we are using an here because E is a vowel. So we will use an with vowels. And it is an egg. Then we will put a full stop. Next word is V-A-N, van. It is a van.